Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for April 13 to 19, 2026. General reading. Pwede kang makarelate, pwede hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Ayan. At kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com. Or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Scorpio, what's the energy? Uy, there's stability. Ang ganda ng energy sa mga Scorpio lately. May abundance, merong maayos na resources. Some of you, maaring may leadership role for you, may promotion. Merong kayong i-discuss or pag-uusapan related sa inheritance or mamanahin. Something that you will have to decide on. Meron din ditong achievement within the family, may celebration. Maaring itong this is like a celebration of life dahil sa mga na-achieve ng family members ninyo. Para ring may reunion dito eh. May magsasalo-salo. Okay, you have the Emperor. So, ito yung pagpaplano. Parang may mga elders sa family. Mga lolo, lola, ganyan. Parang may involve sila sa isang major decision within the family. You have the Three of Cups. The Eight of Cups. Para yung iba sa inyo merong despedida. Pwede yung ibang family members magmamigrate, lilipat na ng lugar, lilipat ng bahay. Someone here is walking away from a situation para i-pursue niya kung ano yung gusto niya sa buhay. So, pwede ikaw to na meron ka pang ibang goal sa life mo na gusto mong i-pursue. And I think nandun yung success for you with the sun here. I think this is, you feel na ito yung best na decision for you. I also see more friends, more connections here. Pwedeng meron kang makikilalang or magiging connected sa'yo dahil sa isang event na importanteng tao na tutulong sa'yo sa mga iba mong projects or businesses. You are going to be very inspired in a lot of ways. Pwedeng may mga creative ideas ka. Oo. And itong mga creative ideas mo, you will partner with someone eh. Pwedeng meron taong tutulong sa'yo na maisakatuparan yung creative ideas mo na yun. Exciting. Okay. You have also harmony. So this is the sun in the 7th house. The sun is about clarity, happiness, and relationship. So meron ditong contentment. For some of you, if you are in a relationship, romantic man yan, business partnership, meron kayong achievement together ng partner mo that you will celebrate within the family. And if there's something na kailangan nyo pag-desisyonan sa relationship ninyo, like, for example, kayo magne-negosyo ng partner mo, mapagdedesisyonan nyo yan ng tama. Oh, di ba? Because luck is on your side. Wow, meron daw swerte sa inyo ngayon. Scorpio. Whatever you are pursuing right now, it is swerte. Lalo na kung may kinalaman sa career path yan, finances. Conclusions are within reach. Ayan. So, ito yung decision making. I think whatever you are decisioning, may ganun ba word? Ano man yung pinag-iisipan mo, yung binibigyan mo ng attention right now, whether this is about career path or business or even relationship, you will finally know kung ano yung dapat mo nang gawin, kung ano yung dapat mong piliin. Kumbaga, ito yung masasabi mo na, ay, swerte yung napili mo kasi mag-work talaga para sa'yo yun. Mm. So, ano man tong gusto mong iwanan na sitwasyon or meron kang gustong i-pursue, just go with it kasi ikaw naman ay ano diyan, siswertehin, okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.